Hey everyone, so for today's episode, we are going to learn how to tell time in Bisaya. But before that, we have to learn how to tell numbers in the dialect. So if you're ready, let's get started. One is uno, uno. Two is dos, dos. Three is tres, tres. Four is cuatro, cuatro. Five is cinco, cinco. Six is seis, seis. Seven is siete, siete. Eight is ocho, ocho. Nine is nueve, nueve. 10 is diez, diez. 11 is once, once. And 12 is doce,